will be one of the elevators at the Radisson Hotel here in Tucson. They have a lot of elevators here. Unfortunately, most of these were modernized with ThyssenKrupp. As you can see, this is a Kruppy mod. The old location was by the airport, but they moved over here. There are like 8 elevators at this hotel, I think. Oh, cool. Nice cab. It's a glass. All the elevators here are all glass. Let's go to LF. And we're gonna watch this. Let's go to 5. Well, this elevator serves 6 floors.
LF.
I bet this used to be Dover before. Can guarantee it. You can see the old indicator there. We're gonna go to 4. We'll get off there. You can see a nice view out there of Tucson.